because of the way these activists saw their own social organization, which was very non-hierarchical, and they insisted on this all the time in interviews when I would ask them about it, even though in reality, non-hierarchical relationships aren't always exactly, ideal. But a lot of what they did in terms of action focused on skill sharing. And so by that, I mean, if someone had a skill, they were often thinking about how to transfer that skill so that other people could also have it. And this was really important. And it does reinforce the non-hierarchical kind of aspect. It's important not to just have one person who can serve as, the hotline coordinator and everybody else is subordinated to that person. That's not the most effective way to do things. Whereas if we all, and I'm just using the hotline as one example, there's plenty more. But if we all kind of have the same understanding of what this thing is, we all have the same training, we can all contribute to it equally, or as much as we are capable of, and then it's more effective in the long run. So I think that answer is twofold, and that kind of non-hierarchical, making sure everybody has access to the same set of skills is a really important part of it.